Principal Tracy Clefbeck puts in a lot of miles and works hard to keep her building safe.
Teresa, can you call for that student I asked for earlier? Thank you.
West Genesee High School is one of many schools across New York State that now use tip411, an anonymous communication tool that lets schools and law enforcement know about a variety of things happening on campus.
We have a mix of different types of tips. Some are things about the parking lot and someone driving erratically that they want us to look into.
Schools also get reports of bullying, harassment, vaping, drugs and alcohol, as well as threats of violence on tip411.
And this has been really wonderful for us in that we have the ability to reach back out to the tipster, ask follow-up questions, encourage them, depending on the tip, to come meet with administration or a counselor.
Joseph Coolican, first Chief Assistant District Attorney for Onondaga County, says they have used tip411 across the county and in schools for 6 years.
In today's society, there's a tremendous reluctance to be linked to reporting crimes to law enforcement.
Coolican says over 6 years, more than 11,000 tip411s have come into the Sheriff's Department. Guaranteed anonymity is key.
Your identity will never be revealed in police paperwork, in court, or anywhere else, but it does give the police a lead to start tracking down and doing their job and investigating things before they go very badly. And it's a two-way street. We absolutely depend on citizens reaching out and notifying law enforcement.
Officials and schools say if there is a dire or immediate issue, calling 911 is the best tool to use.
If this was an emergency situation, because it is through an email notification, your best bet is to call 911 if it was an emergency, that type of an emergency, or call one of the offices and have someone be able to address it directly and immediately.
Experts suggest inquiring about and requesting tip411 in your area schools if it's not being offered. Efforts for enhanced communication to create happier and safer schools. Lacey Leonardi, Spectrum News.